A long, long time ago, there were Native Americans. They lived in a place where there were no big cities or busy roads. They spent their days hunting, fishing, and growing their own food, all in harmony with nature. Jumping ahead to the year 1620, a group of people, called the Pilgrims, sailed on a big ship called the Mayflower. They weren't looking for treasure, they just wanted to practice their own religion. The Pilgrims' first winter was really tough. Many got sick, and it was hard to survive. But, lucky for them, the Wampanoag tribe, who knew a lot about the land, came to help. They showed the Pilgrims how to grow food and stay alive. Picture this: Pilgrims and Native Americans working together, planting seeds for corn, beans, and squash, important foods for survival. When harvest time came, they had a big party, the first Thanksgiving. Everyone laughed, ate a lot, and celebrated together. As time went on, Thanksgiving became a tradition. Families and friends kept gathering, saying thanks, and having yummy meals. Today, Thanksgiving is not just one day, it's a mix of different celebrations. Families come together, share delicious meals, and appreciate what they have. So, that's the story of Thanksgiving, a tale of friends helping each other, being grateful, and having a good time. Whether it's Thanksgiving or any other day, wishing you moments of happiness and thanks.